Hello YouTube, today we're going to go over honeypots and how you can set up yours in your own Linux distribution. I got a new operating system, as you can see. I got tired of using Kali Linux. I also got a new intro, so I hope you all like that as well. It works like an intrusion detection system, except it tracks every activity of the hacker. It's basically the best way to counteract the hacker's attacks by hacking him back. Many companies are already using honeypots now to maintain the integrity of their security. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started. There's many different types of honeypots, but the one we are going to go over today is a database honeypot on our own local server that will show us an intrusion attempt when one has been detected. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Linux distribution. This can be on a virtual machine, or it can be a dual boot, or it can be your main operating system. I have a virtual machine. I'm using VMware right now. But the next thing you're going to want to do after that is open up Firefox and go to GitHub, and I'll provide the link to the description for this honeypot, this toolkit. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to click clone or download and then hit the copy button. And let's open up the terminal. I'll open up the standard Linux terminal. So what you're going to need to do is type in git clone and then the URL which we copied. And if you don't have git, all you need to do is type in sudo apt get install git, and this will install the git repository. But it should come stock with your Linux machine. So just type in git clone and then the URL .git, and I guess I already have it, so I guess I could just cd pintbox -1.8, and this will take me to a new directory, which is this one, ls. Here's the program right here, pintbox.rb. So you're going to need to run it with root click privileges or else it won't work. So if I were to just run it, it wouldn't work without root privileges. So what we need to do is type in sudo ruby pintbox.rb. It opens up the toolkit. Now what we need to do is type in 2 for network tools, and then 3 for honeypot, and 1 for fast auto configuration. It says the port is in use, so let's try manual configuration. So we're going to run right back. It should work for you if the port's not in use though. So 2 for network tools, 3 for honeypot, and then 2 again for manual configuration. I'll put 23, which is the telnet port. False message, telnet port blocked. Save a log with intrusions. I don't need a log, so I'll press in for no. And I do want a beep sound when intrusion happens. So now the honeypot has been activated on port 23. The next thing we can do is open up another terminal. Type in ifconfig. And right here, it should show you your IP address, your IPv4. Just copy this and go to Firefox. Open up a new tab and paste the IP address right here. When an attacker tries to get in, it'll say an intrusion attempt has been detected. Or I guess it hasn't been detected because it's not working right now, but if it did, it would say intrusion attempt detected. You can also telnet into your own IP address by opening up a new tab and then typing in telnet and then your IP address. So whenever you try to telnet into your IP address, it'll say the intrusion attempt has been detected, So basically, when someone tries to SSH into your machine, like try to connect to your machine, it will detect an intrusion attempt. So that's about it. That's all you really need to know to set up a honeypot on your local server for Linux. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll hope to see you in the next video. Hey guys, if you want to support me and my channel, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. To me, I'm just growing my channel, and I spend hours editing and revising to deliver unique content to you all. Peace!